Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw BUSD from Robinhood to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding Binance USD on Robinhood and want to move it over to Uphold for better flexibility or trading options, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto rules can change quickly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Uphold. You'll need to verify your identity on Uphold if you haven't already, as it's essential for receiving crypto transfers. Log into your Robinhood app or website and head over to your portfolio. Find your BUSD balance. That's the stablecoin we're working with here. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal or Transfer section. In Robinhood, look for the Crypto tab and select Withdraw or Send. You'll be prompted to enter the destination wallet address. Now, switch over to your Uphold account. Go to your Wallet section, select BUSD, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that you're copying the correct network, like Ethereum or whatever blockchain BUSD is on for your transfer. Paste that Uphold address into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to withdraw, making sure it's less than your available balance to avoid any issues. Robinhood might ask for confirmation via email or two-factor authentication, so keep an eye on that. Once confirmed, hit submit, and your transfer should be on its way. Processing times can vary, but for BUSD, it usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Head back to Uphold and refresh your wallet to see if the funds have arrived. If you run into any errors, like network fees or insufficient funds, don't panic, just review the details and try again. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn BUSD from Robinhood to Uphold. Remember, always stay safe with your crypto by using secure connections and keeping your private keys private. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.